In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy your files to OneDrive in Microsoft 365 for Business. This process should take around 5 minutes, and by the end of it, you'll have your files securely stored in the cloud, making them accessible from anywhere. To begin with, the first thing you need to do is log into your Microsoft 365 Office account. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Microsoft 365 login page. Make sure you have your login details handy, as you'll need to enter your email address and password to gain access. Once you're logged in, you should see the Microsoft 365 dashboard appear on your screen. Next, take your cursor to the top left-hand corner of the dashboard and look for an icon labeled Apps. Click on this icon. This action will reveal all the available applications within your Microsoft 365 suite. Among these you will find OneDrive, which is where we want to go next. Now, click on the OneDrive icon. This will take you to the OneDrive main page, which is essentially your cloud storage area. Here you'll notice a menu bar at the top of the screen. Look for a tab that says New and Upload, and click on it. This is where you can start the process of uploading your files or folders. After clicking New and Upload, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu you have two options, File Upload or Folder Upload. Choose the option that best suits your needs. If you want to upload individual files, select File Upload. If you have an entire folder that you wish to upload, then go for Folder Upload. Once you've made your choice, a File Explorer window will pop up, allowing you to navigate through your device's files and folders. Take your time here to locate the exact file or folder that you want to upload to OneDrive. When you have located the desired files or folders, select them and then click Open. You will see your files beginning to upload. Depending on the size of your files and your internet speed, this could take a few moments. After the upload process is complete, go back to the OneDrive main page. You should see a sidebar on the left. Click on My Files to see all of your uploaded files and folders. This is where you can manage your files, ensuring that everything is organized to your preference. And that's it. You've successfully copied your files to OneDrive within Microsoft 365 for Business. Now your files are safely stored in the cloud and you can access them anytime from any device with an internet connection. Happy organizing, and see you in the